Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin. Yummy goodness in all 4 of these boxes. We're going to unbox and see what kind of flavors we have inside here. It is something edible, yes. What is it? You'll find out. Alright, so this is something that we have reordered because we're out of it. And we have some brand new flavors of this particular product. So, what is it, you ask? Well, I'll show you. It's our cotton candy! Woo woo! So each box usually has 3 different flavors. So this one is chocolate strawberry.
And we are almost out of every
flavor.
Almost every flavor. I think out of 1 or 2 of some things.
Ooh, this one is new. Blueberry jam.
That looks good.
Look at the lid. Isn't that cute? It's like a canned, almost like, you know, you can them.
That's cool.
Yeah. And then we also have
jam.
Banana split.
Banana split? Yeah.
So each box has 3 different flavors. So we were totally out of this one, I think. And then I think we were totally out of this one. And then this one is a brand new one. So you can go straight to hookedonpickin.com, go to the food and snacks category, and you'll be able to find that's actually really funny because it's made by Chocolate Storybook, but it's cotton candy. So if you just type in cotton candy, you should be able to find it. All right.
And this company's out of Des Moines, Iowa. Right there. Pretty cool company.
Well, and they like to change their flavors all the time.
They do. They don't always have every flavor, too.
So we have a lot listed, but if we're sold out of one, it might be because it's out of stock, because they do kind of seasonal type of things.
Yeah.
So if you have a favorite and it's not listed, we try to restock everything.
Been selling really well in the store.
Yeah, in the store. And the nice thing is we've been trying to keep... we actually have pulled stuff from the store and put it online, and so it's nice because we have more room. We're able to keep more inventory, so we're trying our best not to run out of stuff. The only reason we ran out this time is because we were gone for 2 weeks, so we couldn't have any shipments coming our way while we were gone. So what else do we got? Oh, my kids love this one. This one is juicy watermelon.
Juicy watermelon. There we go.
And look at the lid. How fun is that?
You bet.
And then it looks like we've got something with strawberries. Wild strawberry.
That's different too.
Yeah, that's a new one.
That's cool.
I just love the lids. They're so pretty.
They do a good job on this.
They do. All right, now what's this last one? Oh, this is a fan favorite. Strawberry cheesecake.
Oh, yeah.
So that's what's in this one. Got these 3 flavors.
I was thinking people would buy for birthday parties and things like that, but we have people every day that comes into the store and just buy it just for fun.
We have a person that's like, it's their goal to try every flavor we have. So every time we have a new flavor, they buy the new flavor. All right. I don't know, maybe you guys online are doing the same thing.
Could be.
I usually just look at what's packaged, package it, and put the label on it. All right. What else we got? Oh yeah, this one's super. We've been out of the pickle for a little while. We have spicy pickle.
Sells really fast, the pickle does.
Yeah.
Now, this will blow your mind. It'll absolutely blow your mind. I've had this a couple of times. If you take a bite out of it, your brain doesn't know what to do because it tastes pickle, but there's no crunch. And then it kind of like slowly dissolves in your mouth, and your brain just almost
explodes.
Completely freaks out.
Okay. Then we have, this is a favorite too.
Yep.
This tastes like remember the orange push pops? That's what this tastes like. Orange dreamsicle. Kind of like a creamy. And then what's the last flavor in here is cotton candy honey vanilla. That's a brand new one. So we've got 3 brand new ones so far. It seems like 1 in every box is a brand new flavor for us.
Honey cotton candy. Look at the top of that too.
I know, that's cool looking, isn't it?
It is cool. This could be really good.
So yeah, you just go straight to hookedonpickin.com to the snacks and candy category, and you'll be able to find it.
Beautiful.
All right, last box. Last box. And also, make sure you, if you bought something on yesterday's fire sale, make sure you make that payment for it. Should have your invoice by now. S'mores.
S'mores. Perfect time of the year.
We have a s'mores candy bar.
Yeah, we do.
Yep. I love the s'mores candy bar. So, is s'mores new?
No, we've had s'mores before. Okay. I'm pretty sure we've had it. Every once in a while when I go to reorder, I can't get it.
Yeah. Oh, this is a favorite. Root beer float.
Mm-hmm.
Look, it's got a jukebox on the top.
Yep. Now, just word to the wise on this, it's taking about a month. I order it, and it takes almost a month to be able to get to us.
Okay.
Because I think they fill it right then or wait for batches
it's made
or something.
To order, I think, is the deal.
They're not just pulling it off the shelf and sending it to you.
Oh, here's your pizza cotton candy.
Good old pizza.
So I think all these we had before. I don't know that I've ever seen s'mores, but maybe we've just been out for a while. So we're going to go ahead and restock all these. So that's super fun. We'll do an unboxing for you tomorrow as well. And then, of course, our live stream Q&A on Saturday. So make sure you check Saturday. We usually try to live stream anywhere between like 4 and 6 o'clock. It's usually kind of the time frame. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. Like this video if you like it. Go straight to Hooked on Pickin' and find out all our goodies. We will be starting to sell the chocolate bars again once the weather starts cooling off. We're still a little bit toasty, so I'd say probably another month and a half, we'll have those back live online.
Along with the fudge. The fudge will be coming too.
The fudge will be coming back as well. And so if you have a favorite kind of fudge, shoot me an email and say, please provide these. And then anytime we might even try to do special orders. We'll see about that. I'll check with my supplier and see if we can do special orders. But anyway, thanks so much for joining us on this video. Any more upcoming info I need to kind of tell them about, I think?
I think we're good.
Yeah. So thanks so much for joining us on yesterday's fire sale. We will have a Monday, noon Central Standard Time fire sale. Monday is between noon and 12:30 is when we usually start. So great things coming up on that fire sale as well. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Would you like to make tons of money selling on Poshmark? Well, check out my new ebook, How to Create a Profitable Poshmark Store. Why do we sell on Poshmark? Where to get my inventory? How to create my first listing? How to sell my items? And then, of course, I give you also all my secrets on my top tips. If you'd like to purchase this ebook, just go to hookedonpickin.com or click the link in the description below. That I give, you can support me on Patreon. Just follow the link in the description below and I will offer you lots of exclusive things. You can be in the Hooked on Pickin' Coffee Club, have your Naven Lights, be in the Hooked on Pickin' Reseller Club, or the Reseller Pro Club. You get different perks for each club. So if you'd like to support me in my channel, please head on over to my Patreon account and start supporting. Thanks! You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos.